This is the Rheem Flammable Vapor Sensor here. I just installed this on this water heater. This was causing a bit issue. It would cause the water heater not to turn on here. It was causing the error message on the IntelliVent. It's a very easy switch. Basically, just this is the old one right here. This is what it looks like. The bottom was just really dirty and corroded, so it just needed to be replaced. This is the packaging that it came in right here. It comes with the instruction manual, but again, very easy to put it in. I just retrofitted into this metal piece that just holds the sensor in place, and this is about a 2-minute change here, and it's going to cause a night and day difference if it's not working. You're going to get the error code on the IntelliVent here. You change it out, and it fixes all the issues. Starts right up, no problems like that. But this is a really easy switch. Highly recommend picking one of these up if you're having any water heater problems. I was getting, I believe it was the A and C error code, and it was the flammable vapor sensor. Switched it out, no issues at all. Totally recommend picking one of these up if your hot water heater isn't working. That's the fix.